Love you too, Pan.
Love you too, Skyman.
Ay, sorry, baby.
Funky natin, diba? Like, we'd still play the songs. I played the songs.
Oh, astig. Sana ma-record din natin yung never namin na-record yung collaboration na yun sa studio. So yan ang dream namin for that song, which was the English version of Paninindigan Kina. So yan din nila katrabaho, tsaka nakahangout din namin sila pagkatapos. And we hope to do more. Salamat.
Hi guys,
thing that we appreciate most about Ovation is whenever we have things that we want to include in the concert. Siyempre alam natin na lahat ng artists, they dream of including effects, of including visuals, including all these things. Sila, hindi no agad ang sagot nila. Kahit na alam naman natin it's not easy to mount a concert with so many things going on. They really try their best to explore and make it happen. Now, of course, hindi naman lahat yun matutuloy. Alam naman natin din yung feasibility and reality ng mga bagay. Pero, I guess yung openness nila to try it out, I think that's what we appreciate the most about Ovation Productions. Ano sila eh, parang, I would say that they are very collaborative in the process. And also, when they commit to something, they really walk their talk. And itutuloy nila kung ano yung kinamit nila. So yun yung na-appreciate namin about Ovation.
The Traveler Across Dimensions album and a TMI about the tour.
TMI?
Too much information.
Well, ako na both the album and the tour, ayan. So medyo spoiler siya. Something to look forward to. Ito TMI. Meron kaming ilo-launch soon na kasama din sa tour as soon as possible yung Traveler plushie. So, siliwanag. Nagba-breakdance din siya. Tsaka nagbaba. So yun, hindi pa namin siya ina-announce pero...
No batteries included.
Yes. Mga, keep merch. Ano pa ba?
Okay, pag may chismis ka dyan, chismis ka tayo sa...
Chismis ba?
Chismis lang, hindi pa siya sure. Baka wag ako guys, delikado ako. Mix daw ikaw nila pa.
Narating daw si Ed Sheeran sa tour, TMI! Grabe! Kahit sa atin, TMI. Too much imagination.
Delikado.
May kinalaman natin sa hindi pagligo.
Ay, grabe. Di naman yung TMI.
Ano ba TMI? May nang tanong yun.
Example po.
Then natatawa lang, like, diba yung Traveler Across Dimensions, may tatlo siyang dimension. So, parang start, middle, finish siya. Yung pagka-explain sa amin sa feel dimension yung third. Yun yung ready na sila for mature roles na dimension. So, ang cute lang.
Okay.
Bili po kayo ng merch namin. Yung plushie po namin. Nag-breakdance po siya. Yun po.
Hindi, kasi sinasabi ni Andrew, hindi, elaborate ko siya actually. Naintindihan ko siya, for some reason. Nung sinasulat namin yung story, at saka katrabaho namin yung animation studio, yung puppeteer. Parang nakakatawa lang na kasi nga yung feel dimension sa story, doon siya nagkaroon ng jowa, doon siya nagkaroon ng love interest, si Mahiwaga. Tapos, inisip lang namin yung pagka yung love story, parang ano kayang saan kaya sila nagdidig, PG tayo dito. So yun, parang in a way, yun yung, ano ba yung mga, ang interesting ng TMI, parang gusto mo siya sagutin.
May TMI ako.
Sige.
Not necessarily about the album, pero sige sa tour. Sa sobrang tagal na naming friends, sa mga shows namin, kapag nagbibihis kami, sama-sama kaming nagbibihis. Hindi na kami nagkakayaan. Totoo, di ba?
TMI talaga.
TMI yan,
Yun, TMI yan.
Ha?
Meron sisigaw lang.
Meron lang sisigaw na, bold! Bold!
Or, tapos magtatago na kami.
Para alam may aware yung mga tao na may
Bawal na
nakapan.
lumingon,
Oo, ganyan.
magpapasto sa pinto.
Pero minsan walang nagsasabi ng bold. Pero
Minsan
bold
na
pala.
Oo, minsan surprise yun.
Surprise
Oo.
bold.
Surprise bold.
Gugulat. Or kaya minsan, sabay kami sa, sabay-sabay na kami minsan sa CR, nagbibihis, mga ganun na. Kaya kami couples.
Girls room.
Or kahit hindi. Or kahit hindi guys. Yun lang, yung TMI na. Kaya mabilis kami. Magbihis bago mag-show.
Actually, yun din yung isa. Tinatry nga namin magbihis as quickly as we can. Kasi, minsan yung i-allow lang na change over 5 minutes. So, kung mababa ka ng stage, tapos mabibihis ka, tapos magpupunas ka ng pawis, tapos aakit ka ulit.
So, make up pa.
Tapos may makeup pa. Paano ba yun? Parang, kaya yun yung mga behind the scenes na hindi usually nakikita pero nangyayari siya.
So ibig sabihin doon, yung pinaka-teammate na makukuha mo na from this ay lahat kami experience na maghubad ng sobrang bilis.
At magbihis ng sobrang bilis.
Yeah, nice. Alright, next question.
Okay.
TMI.
Misunderstand ka.
Kay Andrew.
Sobrang bilis na kami.
Kanina pa ako tumitingin dito.
Kunin mo na yung mic kay Andrew.
My thoughts do not represent.
Ilagay ng disclaimer na meron pa po magtatanong?
Next po.
Hello
Yes,
po,
please.
Angelica po from Manila. Tapos, describe po yung Grand Dimensions as a place where all travelers achieve a state of perpetual inner peace po. For Ben and Ben po, or as Ben and Ben po, ano yung consider niyo pong Duyan Dimension?
Mahirap yung aspirant. So dapat individual. Kaya
Okay.
Isa-isa. One word.
One word.
One phrase.
Iba-iba sa amin, pero I think in general, like a concept of maybe like heaven. Ganyan. Kasi, and by that, I mean, parang imposible siyang ma-achieve habang buhay tayo. Kasi habang buhay tayo, laging may pain, laging may suffering, pero lagi rin may ligaya. So yung cycles ng ganun. Yun nga yung point ng album na yun yung essence ng buhay. I-embrace mo both yung masasaya at saka mga painful na part as both like as a cycle na kailangang pagdaan. Pero yung perpetual na inner peace, parang it's something that is yet to come here on earth.
Yun na po yun.
Actually, same.
Copy-paste.
Yun pala yung asaman.
Ay, ba yung kay Tato?
Oh, boy. Jesus talaga. Ako si Jesus po. Yung blue sa akin.
Ayan po. Curious about, ano nila po. And parang timely po itong question. If may mag-ask po na politician to as parang yung song nyo gagamitin to for campaign, alam nyo po ba or no?
I think we're very intentional about supporting, especially when it comes to politics. Of course, like, it would be impossible to know every single one that uses our songs kasi nga napakalaki ng Pilipinas. But in terms of what we can control, we're very mindful and intentional of who we support. I think that's all we have to say.
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
congratulations.
Salamat!
Sige,
Thank you
before
talaga.
we end, can you guys invite them to the tour, especially yung sa ating...
Ayun na nga po. Hello sa lahat ng nanonood, sa lahat ng liwanag, and whoever would be interested and excited to come to our show. Please come to the Traveler Across Dimensions concert. It will begin, the concert tour will begin this May 24 sa Cebu. Napakalapit na po at sobrang excited na po kaming maipakita sa inyo ang bago naming album at syempre ang mga kanta na naging bahagi na rin ng buhay nyo and songs that you may know and love. We really poured our hearts, our creative souls into this album and we can't wait for you to hear it. So please, the dates are now available actually. May 24 sa Cebu, yun yung pinakamalapit. June 8 sa Bacolod, June 22 sa Davao, July 12 sa Lincoln, California, at December 14 sa Singapore. At kung gusto nyong dalhin yung tour na malapit sa inyo, sa city nyo, please message lang kayo, comment lang kayo, magparinig kayo sa amin kasi pupuntahan talaga namin kayo kung gusto nyo kami pumunta dyan. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. We are Ben and Ben and it's an honor to be able to be. Thank you po.
Thank you, Ben and Ben. Thank you. Pwede po tayong mag-photo together with the band. Last picture.
Isang picture muna nila.
Tingnan natin kung paano.